Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you on how you can stop background apps if you are noticing that your battery is draining and
Oh my
consuming
god.
fast. Watch the video at the end. Go to Settings, tap Apps. Click on any app that is running background from draining or consuming your battery. Tap Battery. Tap Allow Background Activity. OK, so it will restrict or stop the app from consuming your battery.
Habla por semana. Por dentro. 2 semanas solamente.
So select if any other apps are consuming your battery that's running background.
Good afternoon.
So this is how to stop background apps that is draining or consuming your battery in your phone. If your phone's battery keeps consuming fast, make sure you go back to the app settings. And if the app is running background, if you are noticing that your phone's battery consumes fast, check whether it's games like Call of Duty Mobile, Fortnite, or PUBG Mobile. So if you have any question, you can leave your comments section. If you found the video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more videos, as your support will help keep this channel growing. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.